Sorry about this. Pretty woman, slicing off your limbs, pretty woman. Y'all ready for it? Lady face? That's what I like to call him. Oh, hi Uncle Phil. Looking good. I'm going, oh, I just saw somebody. Second thought. No, you just stay here. Just Uncle Phil.
They broke the generator.
Oh, man. No! Grandpa! They're hurting Grandpa! He's old! Get him! They hurt Grandpa! Shit,
Almost all
I'm
of them
too
are
fat.
up
I
here.
can't get through here. Get up, chicken! Oh. Well. Huh. Is it just one more dude? Oh, there he is. Oh, hello. No. I got him. Yeah, go get him. Get him, cook. Make him a meal. And then turn him into the meal. Where's Grandpa anyway? Oh, he's over there. I'm gonna feed him some blood. Oh no! Get him, cook! Get him! Smack him on the head!
This will be over by now. I better go feed him.
Oh, you got him. I look so pretty. I'm a beautiful lady. I wanna kill the other women survivors. I wanna wear their clothes. I look good in a tank top. Oh, I'm so angry. I'm angry. I'm gonna destroy this because I'm angry. Shoot, motherfucker. Could you come back? Please? Like your thighs. Okay, come on. You know, at this point you're just fat shaming me. Come on. Yes! Oh, perfect. Okay, we're doing pretty good. I gotta go feed Grandpa. Who are you? I don't recognize you from Texas Chainsaw movies. My turn. Oh, Grandpa's not hungry. But Grandpa, I worked real hard. Why am I spotted by Grandpa? What's up with that? Must be a perk from survivors. Grandpa's home again, yay! I'll be right with you. Shut up, chicken. Snitch. Here you go, Grandpa. There you go.
Let go of your fear. It's
God damn vampire. The pat on the head gets me every time. Damn vampire. You got a big ass nose, Grandpa. I should have been. I'm escaping. No! No, please! No, please! No, please, please, please! Please! Come here! How? 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 How did I not get it? I should have gotten it. I should have reached. I should have stretched. Guys, a little help, please. It'd be nice. She's just gonna go back over. Guys, please, somebody help me. Stop it. We can do this all day. I can do this all day. She must have been getting tired. Good. Good. Oh, if I could crouch, I'd see that thing. You ain't never escaping, lady face. Can I turn that on? Yes, I sure can. No, I want to escape. Fine, fine, fine. Escape. To escape. Who was escape? LJ Sally. Okay, fine. You can escape. Tell our stories.